Hello, and this is another video on How to Mac. In this video, I will show you how to add contacts to the Contacts application in macOS 10 El Capitan. So the first thing I will go ahead and do is open up Contacts. And as you can see here, you get a simple interface where you have your folders on the side, on the left side here, a search bar so you can search through your contacts, and on this side you have a plus button down here so you can add a contact. So I'm going to go ahead and press that button, and as you can see, a drop-down menu pops up. You can add a new contact, a new group, and you can also add some different fields to the specific card. But I will just press New Contact, and as you can see here, you get a whole list of important information that you may need to know about this contact that you're going to add. So you have the first and last name. If you want to add a photo to have a personalized touch to this contact card, you can go ahead and add a photo. You can type in their phone number, their home number. You can personalize your ringtone even, so if they ever call you on your iPhone, and you can select which ringtone you want to have from that specific contact. You can also do the same thing for when you receive a text message from that person. If they have a website, maybe if they own a company or something, you can add a website URL, birthday, and a social media account. Maybe if they have some sort of social media that you want to keep in touch with, and also their address. So let's just add a name in here just to show you. So let's say I have know somebody named Bob, Bill. So you type in their first and last name in these two boxes, and as you can see right here, in the contact selection, you see that the name automatically updates with when you type it in. You can also add a company if the person maybe works for a company or owns the company. You can add a company name, so I'll just write Bill Incorporated. And this checkbox that says company, instead of having the first and last name of the person that you want to save the contact as, you can have their company name pop up. So instead of having Bob Bill show up in this contact card list, you can have the company, Bill Inc. You can also add a phone number if that person has a mobile or home number. As you can see, if I press this drop down menu, you can choose which phone it is. So if it's a mobile phone, the home phone, work phone, or any of these other options here. You can also type in their email from home or work email or other. And as I said, you can select the ringtone that you want to have, so when this person calls you, you can have a specific ringtone, and you'll probably know who it is after you've personalized which ringtone you've assigned. And the same goes with the text tone. You can also add a website here, so if you go in Safari or whatever your web browser is, you can paste the URL in this box right here. You can type in their month, their birthday, and also their social media and address. And once you have finished adding all of this information, you can press Done down here. And now, Bill Inc. or Bob Bill is now saved in your contacts list. You can go ahead and share or edit this contact if you want to make some changes. And if you share it, you can email this contact, airdrop, notes, message somebody, reminders, or more. So then, hopefully this video helps users add contacts in the Contacts application in macOS 10.